Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Backing up is not an option for this driver for some reason. Idiots drag racing on the interstate.
And there had been no sources to reach out to for verification. What Julia said went unverified, and Alice could see that now. She could see the weakness of what she'd been handed, and she could see her own weakness in accepting such change. Perhaps other people might have helped her figure this out. Rose, Carrie, Ron. But the young
Driver thinks it's cool to block my exit so he can jump the line. What is going on here? Driver doesn't know the spacing of his own car.
Oh, come on, dude. Are you serious?
Can you focus on the road, please? Wow, she saved 5 seconds. One idiot doesn't want to miss their exit, another idiot wants to make sure they don't by practically stopping on the ramp. Watch the silver Toyota on the far right. Never learned how to take turns as a kid. I saw this near miss this morning.
Whoa, what is this dude doing?
I don't think a single driver would be ready for that.
God damn it. What a fucking idiots.
What did you get by doing all this? Breaking a law in front of an undercover cop? Idiot passes me while I'm stopped for a pedestrian crosswalk. What a strange way to take an exit. If I turn slowly, he won't notice. Hitting curbs and a trunk full of barely secured garbage. I'm glad I got the dash cam last week.
What are you doing? Oh my god. Jesus Christ.
It's his road. We're just driving on it.
Because it could also be October or November.
Okay, Garmin, save video. Save video.
Do you even look? He actually did look, and he just
fucking saw that. He saw this truck in front of us.
and he looked right at us.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.